move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Abilene, local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance moves are defined as those that travel more than 50 miles. Long-distance travel demands meticulous planning. In terms of long-distance relocation, we're no strangers. In terms of efficiency and dependability, we have the best movers in town. They follow a strict set of guidelines throughout the move, and as a company, we take great pride in moving vehicles that we have at our lot. Our drivers are also seasoned professionals. They are well versed in and carefully abide by the laws of the road. Long-distance moving licenses and insurance coverage are on hand for 3 Movers' convenience on the long haul. Using our long-distance services is a pleasurable experience for you. We promise that your possessions will be delivered on time and undamaged. If you're moving far from home, you're going to be paying a lot more for it. If you're looking for the best in Abilene, you've come to the right place. As a company, we pride ourselves on providing excellent customer service while also being adaptable. To delight to the locals, we offer high-quality services at reasonable prices. On average, we charge $30 to $40 an hour. Because we know the area's roads and highways so well, you may be confident in our ability to deliver your goods securely. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Abilene moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.